Hey there. So today's law of the universe is perpetual transmutation of energy. It sounds complicated. I always forget the name of it. I always have to look it up. It's definitely a mouthful. But in the simplest terms, this might be described as a metaphysical way of saying, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade, or think positively. All forms of energy are in a constant state of flux and can be changed or transmuted at any time. It's based on the idea that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but changes from one form and location to another. Water is a great example of this law. Water never just stays put. As we know, it evaporates, rises into the atmosphere, cools, condenses into clouds, and then returns as precipitation. Right now, it would be snow. But it's constantly moving. Based on this idea, water can be perceived as a negative or as a positive. Negatively, we know that water can be destructive in floods and hurricanes, and it causes damage to homes and all kinds of stuff. And positively, we need water to drink. We use it to put out fires. We use it for entertainment. And it's used as sustenance for living organisms in oceans and lakes. So you can see that this is a duality of perspectives. It highlights the transformative nature of water and the way in which water can be perceived and harnessed in different ways. Just as water can change from a negative to a positive force depending on the context, the law of perpetual transmutation of energies emphasizes the fluid and dynamic nature of energy, which can be transformed based on our intentions. So the idea there's no such thing as bad publicity because people are still talking about you. It's the same sort of thing, but you just have to look at it in a different light. So if they're saying negative stuff about you, people are now still thinking about, well, I want to check that out and see if it really is true. So that's how that works. Come back. We'll be talking about kind of a 2-for-1 tomorrow. It's interesting. The law of cause and effect, or more known as the law of karma.